Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable side key to lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, with this side key, I try to lock my phone, but here it is not locked. Okay, lock with side key is not working in my case. If you would like to enable this feature, what you go to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen and AOD and click on secure lock settings. Draw your current pattern for authentication and confirmation, and then turn on this button, lock instantly with this side key, lock instantly with side button. Okay, now side button will work for locking screen. Okay, just one press on this side button, and if you again press, it will ask you to enter your pattern for unlocking your phone. So in this way you can easily lock with side key, that is side button, in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.